Hello, Mom and Sir. Have a nice day. I'm Jolji Nabanyo from Malaybalay City, Bukidnon, Philippines. I'm 37 years old. I'm a single mother and have a 14-year-old son. I'm a high school graduate, and unfortunately, due to the financial problem, I didn't go to college and have any degrees. I work here in Philippines as a factory worker or a machine operator in Toshiba Equipment Incorporation from July 2007 until December 2007. I also work in department store under bags department from June 2009 until June 2011. My duties are to sell the bags, to do the inventories, to check out and to receive the items. I work as a household worker in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia from December 2013 until December 2016. I serve one person only. My duties is cleaning the house, the living room, the bedroom, and the bathroom. I do the cooking sometimes, and also I go together with my employer wherever she goes because she's age already. She's already 60 years old. Uh, I worked in Kuwait City from February 2017 until February 2019. I served four people. My duties is cleaning the kitchen, cleaning the living room, cleaning the visitors room and the bathroom, and do the cooking. I work with my co-helper. I work in United Arab Emirates also from June 2019 until June 2023. I serve seven people. My main duty is cleaning the house, do the laundry, do the ironing, cooking sometimes, and taking care of the vegetables garden and also the chickens at their backyard. I work in Hong Kong as a household worker and serve two-person and taking care of the pet. It's a dog Shiba Inu. My main duties is cleaning the house, go marketing, washing the clothes, and walking with the dog every morning and every evening. I worked there from September 2023 until September 2025. That's all, Mom. Have a nice day. And to my future employer, I can assure you that I'm willing to learn and to follow your rules and regulation at your household, and I will treat your kids as my own. Have a nice day. Thank you so much. Bye.